What is a problem that every manufacturing industry must face? Factorium has the answer. Through our extensive study and working closely with customers, we truly understand the real problems. The main problem in the manufacturing industry is that machines do not operate at full efficiency, which can be caused by various reasons. However, mainly it comes from improper management and maintenance of the machines according to the plan. The best solution for prevent unexpected machine failures is maintenance. Currently, most maintenance work is done in the traditional way using a manual system. By changing the way we manage maintenance work with technology in the industry, we have developed FACTORIUM CMMS based on customer understanding, designed for ease of use. You may not even notice a change. It helps to make work more convenient and comfortable, allowing more time for other aspects of life. With a modern system that can be operated on a single mobile device, it is easy to use and surpasses limits for something better.